Main review.
What's up, Mechatronics? Welcome to our very first video. So for today's video, we are going to learn on how to do and assemble parts using Solidworks.
So without a further ado, let's jump into the video. So this is the step-by-step process. In order to start design, first we need to create a folder for the activity and name it Katia Chair. Then open Solidworks and select a part.
For the bolt, first draw a line with the length of 8mm, 25mm, 5mm, and 7.5mm on the front plane.
After doing such, select right plane and sketch select polygon. And find the center of the plane to be the origin. Then draw the polygon, click Smart Dimension between 2 points at the bottom of the polygon. Then set it into 10mm. Exit again, sketch and click Extrude Cut. Then set it to 5mm. Then click Check.
Next is click front plane. Then draw a line at the center, then exit sketch. And click front plane again, sketch a triangle that is 4.5mm away from the line and has a 60-degree angle. Exit sketch and click feature. Click sweep cut and select the line as the path and the triangle. Select option and change the orientation to twist along the path. Then define by turns, set turns to 25. Then a preview will appear. Then click check.
After that, change the color of your desire. In our case, we choose maroon. The next step is, save your file to the folder you've been created and name it bolt. Then create again a new file, then select part.
For the back wooden board, select right plane and select sketch. Draw a center rectangle and set the length to 200mm and the width to 400mm. Then exit sketch. And click feature, then extrude. Make sure that you drag the arrow backwards and set the thickness to 20mm. Then click check. Click the fillet. Set the radius to 30mm. Then check the multiple radius fillet. Then click all the edges and click check.
After that, select again right plane and draw a center of the rectangle. Then set the length to the 120 and the width to 350. After that, draw a circle in each corner with a diameter of 15 mm. Then trim all lines inside the circles. Then go to the pictures, click extrude cut, then set to 5 mm. Click all the circles and click check. You will see a cut of 5 mm in the surface. Next is the select right plane again and create circles with the radius of 10 mm inside the 15 mm circles. After that, go to pictures and extrude cut, then set to true.
Seat wooden board, select top plane, and select sketch. Draw a center rectangle, set the length to 400 and the width to 400. Then exit sketch. And click feature, then extrude. Make sure that you drag the arrow downwards and set the thickness to 20 mm. Then click check. Next, click the fillet Set the radius to 30 mm. Then click multiple radius fillet. Then click all the edges, then click check. After that, select top plane again and draw a center rectangle. Set the length to 350 and the width to 240. After that, draw a circle in each corner with a diameter of 15 mm. Then trim all lines inside the circle. Then go to features. Click extrude. Cut, then set to 5 mm. Click all the circles and click check. And you will see a cut of 5 mm in the surface. Next is that select top plane again and create circles with the radius of 10 mm inside the 15 mm circles. After that, go to features and extrude cut. Set to true all. Click the appearance in the right side, then select organic, then wood, then tick. Then drag the wood design to the object, then select part. Save the object in the folder, then name it Seat Wooden Board.
Next is the support plane. Select front plane and sketch line with a length of 450 mm, 450 mm, 450 mm, and 400 mm. Then set the angle between the first and second line to 105 degrees using Smart Dimension. After that, click extrude and set the thickness to 50. Then click the fillet. Set the radius to 10.74mm. Then check the multiple radius fillet. Then click all the edges. Then click check. Click the face of the inclined plane, then draw a circle on the top of it with a radius of 25mm. Then extrude with a value of 10mm. Repeat the procedure in the bottom part. Select again the inclined plane, then create a center line. Then put circles with a diameter of 10mm. Set the distance of one circles to the upper of to 150mm. Then the distance between the circles 120mm. After that, trim the lines inside the circles. Then extrude cut, set it to 10mm, then click check. After the inclined plane, select the top plane, then create a center line. Then put circles with 10mm diameter. With one of the circles 80mm apart from the right edge, and the distance between the circle is set to 240mm. After that, trim the lines inside the circles, then extrude cut and set it to 10 millimeters. Change the color of your desire. In this case, I choose green. Save it to your folder with a name of support frame. After accomplishing parts, assemble it by clicking New, then select Assemble.
Now, for the assembling. A window will appear. Select Browse and choose Support Frame and place it anywhere. After that, click the arrow beneath the linear component and select Mirror Component. Then set the front plane as Mirror Plane and click anywhere in the object and to set it as a component to mirror. Select Next and a preview will appear. Then click Check.
To move them near to each other, right-click the support frame. Click the float, then you can move the object near each other by Move Component. Insert another component, which is the seat wooden board. Click Mate and mate the board to the one of the frame by clicking back whole edge of the board. Then, front edge hole of the frame, repeat it and do it diagonally. Then observe if holes were aligned. Insert another component, which is the back wooden board.
Repeat the same procedure as the seat wooden board. But in this case, there are only two objects that you will make. First one is coincident make. And the other one, you will click the inner part of both frame hole and board hole. Then click Lock two components, then check again if the holes are aligned. Repeat the mates if not aligned. and insert another component, which is the bolt. After these steps, click the support frame and set it to fix. To duplicate the bolt, click the object while holding control and drag it aside. Do this repeatedly to create 8 bolts. Coincident mate the bolts in the holes to finish. After that, you're done and save your work.
And now guys, we are done. Now you can explore Solidworks by your own by practicing. Stay tuned for our next tutorial videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe as always. Love you guys.